Welcome to the Compliance Weekly for November the 19th. And first thing is I'll share the workboard and we'll go through the completed issues. So I believe last week, the last one we discussed was documentation for API. So the next one is refactor subclass of base change auditor to use audit events module by Andrew. Anybody here?
I reviewed that one. Yeah,
Oh yeah, cool.
it's moving a lot of the bounded context stuff around. So it's not all under auditor, but uh, more closely resembles like where do things happen. Um,
Nice.
I think that was the gist of it.
Awesome. Thanks, Andrew. Next one is add frameworks tab to the project compliance center. This was earlier. I helped to verify this one. So at the project level, we added the compliance center either last milestone or the milestone before, I think it was. But we hadn't added in the frameworks tab, as you can already see which frameworks are applied to the project on the project view page, but we wanted to add this in so that we can still redirect users to it to learn more details around the frameworks themselves. So this has been added, which is great work, Ilya. Our next one is add custom HTTP destination handler for consolidation of streaming audit event destinations by Andrew. Anybody else know about this one?
I think I
Uh,
verified this one.
Oh, cool.
Uh, yeah, so I think it's related to the consolidation of HTTP destinations, and yeah, it's merged and working on production.
Fantastic. And the next one was move compliance pipeline UI editing to accordion. Sam,
yes. There we added another detractor to the pipeline, uh, to the compliance framework editing. So we're just hiding it on default. If it's empty, uh, if it's already filled out, we'll show it here.
cool. Was there anything else anyone wanted to discuss from any of the other issues? I know there is some, like we're right on the cusp of 17.6 cutoff, so I'm not sure if anything that we need to discuss there. Nope. Right, we'll jump
I
over
think
to.
we already have something in 17.7 closed, but
Oh, really?
I think so. Or no, I think it was won't do. Hold on.
Can have a quick.
No, that was won't do.
Oh no, there is. I just that's fine. So over to the planning issue. Custom adherence configuration. Hasima, any update there?
Yes, so the MR related to the migration for adding requirement and requirement type and control expression got merged today. And now I will start working on the other MRs related to the addition and updation of control expressions.
Fantastic. The next one was the add a, add a, sorry, add compliance adherence requirements for each security scanner and SAST and DAST have both been released, and there is a demo up on YouTube as well. So that's been closed out. Next one is compliance pipeline to security policy migration work. Sam.
Yes. Like just mentioned, we updated the edit UI. Um, Also a note, we moved the cleanup of the feature flag to the removal of the banner itself. So we'll keep that feature flag around until we just do it all in one go and remove the banners and the feature flag code.
That sounds good. Should we have a quick little demo on that up on YouTube as well, the accordion?
Uh,
Or is it all
Not sure if it's worth it.
just thinking because it's about the migration work and it's fairly high profile?
Yeah,
People just watch our YouTube videos. So
yeah.
might be good just to, even
I,
if it's one more person off compliance pipelines.
then it's worth it. Yeah,
Yeah,
I guess we can do that. Yeah.
cool. Thank you. Sales, Hasima.
Yes. I last week I implemented the group controller and group API changes. Currently the MR is in review, and in this milestone we can target the instance controller and APIs.
Fantastic. Compliance center improvements with Ilya. So the subgroup filtering and they said the project level compliance center was merged. Speed improvements are still under a work in progress at the moment. Consolidation of streaming audit events. Anyone have any update there? No.
No.
And then the last one was the engineering and product metrics with Sam.
Yes. The adhered standards was merged. I think we didn't have that since last time, and the auto log metrics are still in progress. There was no updates on that last week, so I was sick.
Yes. Cool. Next up, we have no design or QA here. There's a couple of discussion points that I put in there. So I created an issue around monitoring and alerting and just reviewing that as part of our sort of ongoing engineering efforts. This was partly raised because one of our decisions as part of that custom adherence configuration is to implement a cron scheduler. And so I was looking into how that would affect like our alerting and things like that. And the auth team has a great page up around that. So I wanted to just review and see if there's anything that we can do, we can implement or use from what they've already done. Any comments, please have a read through it and add any comments. Andrew has offered to pick this up and be DRI, so to sort of get a bit of learning of the whole system. But yeah, any comments just off reading that?
Not directly, no.
No, cool. And just their last one was more of an FYI. I've started the 17.7 planning merge request. Pinged all the relevant DRIs, so please can you respond to that either today, tomorrow? So it'd be great to get that merged since we're sort of coming into the new milestone pretty quickly. Cool. Anything else anyone wants to discuss? Otherwise, I'll stop the recording. Where is the record button? There we go. Wave to the camera.